Hello friends, in this one I'm going to show you how to simplify this complex fraction step by step very carefully. So we have here 1 over u plus 1 over v divided by 1 over u squared plus 1 over v. So go through the process. You see, this is missing a v in the bottom, this is missing a u in the bottom. So first stage is you're going to write it as 1 over u times v over v, because v over v is a form of the number 1. That's allowed. Plus 1 over v. And then what's missing here is the u, so you're going to multiply by u over u. Again, because that's a form of the number 1. That is why that is allowed. It doesn't matter where you do it in a fraction, it's just 1. This is 1 over u squared. What's missing here is the v. So again, you're going to do 1 over u squared times v over v plus. Then again, this is 1 over v. And then what's missing with this one is the u squared part. So you're going to multiply by u squared over u squared this way. Let me stress this, very important. V over v is 1, u over u is 1, v over v is 1, u squared over u squared is 1. Let's simplify this. So now what you have is here, this is 1 times v, so it's v. This is uv. If you like, you can write it as vu. It makes no difference. Plus 1 times u is u. And then what you have is vu again, you see? So now you have the same denominator in the fractions in the numerator. Now you have 1 times v, which is v, and then u squared times v, you can write again as u squared v, plus, now this is going to be 1 times u squared, so that's just u squared. And this is v times u squared, which you can write as u squared v. It makes no difference. So let's continue here. All right, so now because these denominators are the same, you can just put v plus u over a single vu, or uv, makes no difference. Right? And then this is hanging over v plus u squared divided by u squared times v. It's the same now. So u squared times v. From here, to simplify, keep, change, flip. KCF, keep, change, flip. So keep the first fraction, v plus u, over vu. Flip the bottom fraction, change this division between the fractions to multiplication, and then flip the bottom. So it's going to be u squared v over v plus u squared. Now we're getting close. Take a look. Write this as v plus u over vu times, now this is u squared, so it's like u times v over v plus u squared this way. Now, between these, cancel what you can. So this u cancels with this u. This v cancels with that v. And all that remains then is the v plus u from here over 1 times what remains over here, which is u over v plus u squared. And now to finish this up, take a look. You're going to have v plus u multiplying u. Imagine it's within a parentheses. So you have v plus u within parentheses times this remaining u divided by 1 times v plus u squared, which is still just v plus u squared, and then this right here, this is the answer, okay? Do not, at this point, do not cross off this v with this v. You can't do that. Do not somehow multiply this u to u squared and then cross off with this u squared. Can't do that. This is the answer. And these are all the steps. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, please subscribe. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in another video.